Okay, so this is just a quick refresher of the Matlab interface. So I'm running this on my Mac, but obviously you'll be running it on one of the university PCs. But essentially, you should see the same thing. You bring up the Matlab GUI interface, and you can type in commands in the command window. But it's better to use an editor, and this actually puts it in a file. So here we have so I'm going to have a variable equals 2, and then the way to run it. So these commands are written in the file, and then when you press run, it'll run the file, and it'll give you the variables. And you'll also see here there's something called workspace, and it stores the variables in this thing called workspace. And you can do introduce new variables, put a semicolon after it. It means that you don't get any output. You can run basic, and we just have a equals 2, and we can just print simple stuff off. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, and you put simple syntax. You can clear the workspace, clear the command window. It's all nice and fresh, and and you can also do simple. Well, there's a whole bunch of functions to do many things in Matlab. That's one of the great things about it. It has a whole bunch of things to do with matrices. So here I'm just reminding you of the interface. So it has all the basic functions in. If you do make an error, okay, so here it's telling me there's a syntax error, and it's telling me, it's giving me some information. There's little details here. And this is one of these condition things, which should be if this condition is true, then false. Okay, and just remind you, you can do things like comments if you don't want this to appear in the processing code. Okay, so this is known as the Matlab script. So I have a library of these little things here, and we can look at this bisection. We can flip to that. This is something he's written in JSON you saw in last year's course. And so here he has little functions called bisection.m, the function bisection. And we're not going to do so much with functions, but just for interest, this is what he had last year, bisection.m. And this is finding the root of the function in a certain regime. And the parameters are hardwired for this one. Okay, so here's a little loop over stuff, and we can run it. Okay, so it's trying to find the zeros, and you see it's getting smaller and smaller. So you should write scripts or functions to write your Matlab code, and then store them on the disk, and then obviously you store them in your network storage, in your Microsoft storage, or the M drive, whatever it's now called. Okay, if you want more information, I uploaded there's some resources on Matlab, which I put here. Here's JSON notes on Matlab. Okay. Okay, so recall these here, all his notes on Matlab on the programming from last year, which you can use to refresh your mind. And obviously there's like help sections in the Matlab, also web searches as well.